Now reinstallation is just the opposite, but there's one trick. We've got a 2011 Toyota Sienna with a BraunAbility kit, mobility kit in it, and we had to remove the front seat and couldn't find anything online on how to do that. So with these particular seats, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get started. First thing you do is unscrew the electrical plug for the seat. Your power seats won't work anymore when this is unplugged. Line the top up with the top. You don't want to break any of these prongs off. And then screw it onto the temporary plate so you can remove the seat. Next thing you do is push on this pedal and it pushes the wheels down, and you push it a little further, and we had to jiggle the seat and it releases. You push it all the way up, it locks, tilt it, and then you can just pull it back, keep it tilted on the wheels, move it out, clean, whatever you need to do. Now reinstallation is just the opposite, but there's one trick. To reinstall, you put that front wheel in that groove and roll it straight up until it stops. Then just sight and make sure that the wheels are lined up the same. These are off just a little bit, so just slide it over. That's good. Then this is where we got stuck and there was nothing showing. How do you put it in? Well, on some of them they show 2 pedals and this one doesn't have it, but what you do is press on the bar, this bar right here. Press down, it releases it and locks it in place. You just jiggle it back and forth, make sure it's all locked in place. Then all you do is unscrew this, plug it back in here with the top showing top. Make sure you get it lined up. Screw that back in, and you're all set to go. If this video was a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online.